Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V40 SE, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to go back and scroll all the way down to find the system. Now let's tap on Backup Restore and tap on Backup Data. Tap on Next and Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. Yes, of course. Alright, now it works. So after entering the email, you will have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here you have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them and read them, and then I agree after the reading. Okay, here you can mark what kind of data you want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data. You can mark both. I'll choose only the last one and tap on Manage Backup. And here we've got another backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and from now on your device will back up your data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.